last video we last video we have seen about implementation of echarts and implementation of charts, graphs and everything. In this video we are going to see about how to implement the graphs using maps using echarts. And this is they have a default echart configuration for USA map. USA map, they have the pollutions for TS, but we are going to use how to implement this for all world maps: USA, Canada, India, America, whatever the maps you want, you can use this one. Let's see there. Let's see, just see the TS code file. They are using the USA map. They are getting from their backend they are getting the usa.json, and they are passing the JSON chat echart echart files, echart file options. To show this, you don't want to do anything. You just copy this one, and paste over in our app.ts file. We just create a new function called map function, return void. We need to create an option called map option, and echart option is equal to this. Okay, we just paste here, over here. We need to change this map function, map option, and this echart, this usa.json. Sorry, we need to delete this. Okay, this usa.json, they are getting the usa.json from their API. If you use this one, you will get the cross origin error. So what we are going to do is we are going to get the map URL from the val map URL from the open website. We have an open website for getting the JSONs. Where JSON map for globals. I will give this link in your here, and you can get the val map JSON from here. High resolution: North America, South America, Asia, Africa, Europe, Ocean, and other names. And just click build download. It will get 120 countries. It will give all the countries list, and it will download the file. And what you want to go do, you need to just copy this file and paste it over here. I already have the default predefined 3 maps. I will paste this one here, and I will val map. This is the current file we are pasting here. And okay, this is the root. So we are going to add import star as val map from assets / world map.json. Map.json. We need to use the val map here. This is the TS container. This is not a big deal, so you don't want to worry about this. We will just run this one and test what is happening actually. It's failed. It's because of valmap.json.in. It has an error. I think it must be this valmap must be, and the layout error, the src, I think. And we will just clear it out. It's generating the browser application control. It's clear. We'll just see the local host. Go to 00. What? thing is we are not calling the function here itself. Function. Okay, now it may work. Yeah. Oh, again, it's a very foolish thing. Option is map option. Okay, we just wait for a second. It will. Wow, oh, great. Yeah, see, it's Canada, USA. It's a great map. You can see here. See it out here. You can download. Even you don't want to get all those things. Means you only need Africa. You just commanded and select everything and download those. This file. Download this file once again. Download Africa, and if you see not recent downloads, right, this is the one. We'll just copy this one and paste it here, or paste it over here, paste it over here. Africa. So okay, and it's indexing and close. Okay, we just here AFRICA. Just change the file and run again. Generating the browsers. Yeah, it's run. Okay, let's see, it's only Africa. I can get all the files from Africa. I will give this link and you can download everything from this program. Thank you.